Summertime is here and I really want to add some key pieces to my wardrobe. I already went thrifting for my maternity wardrobe, but there's a few fabrics in my stash that I figure I can make some cute pieces out of, and let's just dive into that right now. So this year I really wanted to try the no buy challenge, and I haven't been buying any fabric to sew. I've been using whatever I have in my stash. I have a closet full of fabric and I just really want to sew and minimize my pile and have no pile. What I really want to add to my wardrobe is this cute like flounce top, this like oversized bell top or something. I have this leftover gingham print from the romper that I made, and I have enough to use one of my sewing patterns. This is so old. I made this back in college. Like, look, it's all ripped up and there's stains on it, but this makes such a cute top. In my stash, I also have this plaid material. I got this at Joann's before they closed, and I originally wanted to do a scarf out of this, but now I changed my mind and I want to make that viral knot bag. I think it'll be so cute out of this plaid, just like, you know, like for summer. This will be so cute. So I have about 3 yards and I'm thinking I could still cut it in half and still use some for a scarf and then some for the bag, because I want it to be large, but this will be way too large for that bag. So I'm thinking cut it in half and I will have enough for the bag. You know, that'll be so cute. So that's my goal for this. And then lastly, I have this material. You guys may have seen this before in my sewing plans video. It has been years I've had this on hand. I got this at the bins. These are curtains and I have a lot on hand. I think about 3.5 yards. Out of this, I would love to make this same dress. This took me 2 hours to do, and it's just a halter open back dress. So simple. I literally just draped it on my mannequin, cut it out and sew it, and it took me 2 hours. And I just did some self-binding for finishing, and I want to do the same with this. I would love to have like a loose maxi dress to wear over the summer, especially over my bump. I made this one very long. I want to do the same here, but I want to make it with a flounce at the bottom. I have this inspo pick. Those 3 pieces I think would be cute to add, and they all should be fairly easy to do. So hopefully this just takes me a couple days because I don't want to be sewing too long on this project. So let's get into it.
baby.
I would really like the top to have facing, so I did find some leftover linen from the halter dress, and I'm gonna iron this out and then just cut out about this much to make the facing. So now onto the dress. This is day 3 of working on my summer pieces. I washed the curtain and seam ripped and separated the lining and the main fabric. So I am gonna have to keep that lining inside. This is very sheer, so we're gonna end up using this as the lining still. And they're both 100% polyester, but the inside lining feels very soft, so it'll be soft against my skin. This fabric right here is very itchy. So when I made this dress the first time, I literally just draped it on my dress form, and I'm going to do the same. Okay, so I think I'm getting somewhere with this dress. I love it with the ruffle at the bottom, but here's my dilemma. I don't have enough to go all the way around. It sucks, and I don't have enough material. I pinned this up to see if I cut it all in half, if that would make enough all the way around, but I like it better long.
Hello, stranger. It's been a minute since we last kicked it. And by the way, just got in town, and I won't let you in this club. It's all in the sky.
That is a wrap. This dress ended up coming out so cute. The saxophones were getting loud and I was a little like about to give up, but this came out so beautiful. I love the touch of these appliques, the flowers. This is so much fun. I love the knot bag, the gingham top. Those jeans that I wore with that outfit, those are men's jeans. Let me see what size they are. Oh my gosh, they are a men's 38 and those are the only jeans that fit me right now. But I think that outfit came out so cute together. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. Please subscribe, like, and comment. I love to read your comments. I always comment back and it pushes my video out to more people who like content like this. We're about 230 away from hitting 3,000 subscribers. So that will be an exciting milestone for me to reach. So please subscribe, share to other people who like sewing videos, and until next time, you guys, bye.